Hi Peter. It's Colin. You have some stubborn problem going on there with that with your editor there. For whatever reason, it's modifying the Bootstrap CSS. Never seen it happen before. Can't even duplicate it myself. So somewhere in the process of saving a file, it's updating Bootstrap CSS. Not sure why or how you're going about, like what you're doing at the time to make those changes, but for some reason it's updating it. I do have a solution though. We're going to override those updates. So no matter if your editor, like as a matter of fact, let's take a look at the page I have as an example right here. You'll see this is my demo page here. There is no background color. Although I haven't touched the bootstrap.css, it still has all the junky updates that were applied. But I've overwritten them with something else to say, you know what, I don't care if the bootstrap system gets overridden or not. We're going to apply this update. As a matter of fact, if you go into your site styles and open up your styles.css, and what I want you to do is take this information right here, okay, and what I want you to do is right up here at the top of this site, just put your cursor right here, right in front of that slash, hit enter a few times. You have lots of white space to work with, and paste the stuff from the ticket, paste it in right here, okay? I'll send this over to you. Paste it in right there, and that'll fix it. And what we're saying is background color, background image, and border color important. In other words, this will override anything that's applied to your Bootstrap for whatever reason. Can you reinstall it? Well, technically, yeah. You could re-download the theme as the template as many times as you want, but then you'd have to update the content again. You could download the template again and just copy in the styles folder. That would fix everything, but then at some point in time, your editor is probably going to balk back and make those changes, because the two different times I've looked at your Bootstrap CSS online, the changes have been slightly different. So I'm saying screw it. We're gonna give you this here. You put it in your styles.css at the very top, like I've shown you here, and make sure when you put this in, okay. So when you go into your styles.css, put your cursor right up here and make sure it's between the edge and this little slash here like you're seeing in the video. So when you hit enter and put your cursor up here, all this comment line here is still intact, okay? Then just paste in the stuff I'm going to send you, or you can just download the styles.css from your server, because I've already put it up there and you can see it online. As a matter of fact, let's just take a look at that first before we send the ticket over here. Yeah, there you go. See, there's your site live now, and you see no nasty little backgrounds to that. So you could just download the styles.css or just do the update that I was showing you. Like I said, if you did want to reload the theme, you can actually just reload parts of it. Like you could download a fresh copy of your template, extract it to a new folder, and just grab, you know, all the contents within the styles folder and pop it into the, you know, drag from one to the other to update and replace if you wanted to do that. I don't think there's a need to do that. I think just this little fix here, there's something going on in your editor when something's being saved. It's overwriting an existing style, and you don't want it to do that. And I'd like to see what you're doing, but I don't know what it is. So this will have to work in the short term.